Welcome to our tutorial on how to complete a Roth in-plan conversion in My Account. This process allows you to convert money from your traditional TSP, pre-tax balance, to your Roth TSP, after-tax balance, in your TSP account. Before starting the process, we strongly recommend that you consult a tax advisor. When you convert pre-tax money from your traditional TSP balance, your Roth in-plan conversion amount will become part of your taxable income for the year. This means that you will pay income tax on the conversion amount based on your income tax rate. You must pay the taxes on this amount with personal funds from another source, such as a savings account. During the conversion transaction, you cannot use part of the conversion amount to pay taxes. A Roth in-plan conversion calculator is available on the Convert Retirement Savings to Roth page in My Account. This can help you estimate the potential tax impact of converting your traditional funds to Roth in the TSP. It's important to note that once a Roth in-plan conversion is processed, it cannot be reversed or changed. You can visit tsp.gov for more information about traditional and Roth tax treatments. To convert traditional TSP funds to Roth, start by logging in to the My Account homepage. Once there, select Convert to Roth in the top menu. On the Roth conversion page, you will see the amount you have available for conversion. Please note that there is a minimum required balance that must remain in your TSP account when converting to Roth. The amount available shown on this page is the maximum amount you can convert after considering this requirement. Here you will see information about the number of conversions allowed per calendar year. TSP participants are allowed 26 conversions per year, per eligible account. For example, if you have both a civilian and a uniformed services TSP account, this limit applies to each account separately. On the right side of the page, you can also find a calculator, which uses your relevant participant information to help you estimate the potential tax impact of converting your traditional funds to Roth. This calculator is also accessible on the left side of the My Account homepage. We encourage you to use the calculator before starting the conversion process. At the bottom of the page, you will find important information about converting traditional funds to Roth, such as the impact, important factors to consider, and what happens after the conversion. We strongly recommend you read this information as well as consult a tax advisor before starting a conversion. When you are ready, click the Convert to Roth button. Here, you will choose the conversion amount. To convert your traditional TSP funds to Roth, start on the first page of the workflow where you can specify the amount you want to convert. You can enter either a specific dollar amount or a percentage of your available balance. Whichever option you choose, the amount you elect to convert will be depleted or taken from your existing available account sources on a pro rata or proportional basis. Next, you will confirm and continue. After confirming the correct amount, click Continue. Next, you will review your tax summary. This page shows how the conversion affects your taxable income. Remember, you will owe taxes on any untaxed money you convert. If you have amounts that have already been taxed and are included in the conversion, they will reduce the amount shown as taxable income. It's important to remember that any money you convert that is subject to taxation and hasn't been taxed previously will be taxable in the year of conversion. If you have amounts that are not subject to taxation in the conversion, they will reduce the amount shown as taxable income. Next, you will review your estimated taxable income. At the bottom of the page, your estimated federal taxable income based on the conversion amount will be displayed. This is the amount by which your income will increase due to the conversion and will be reported on a Tax Form 1099-R for the year of the conversion. Keep in mind that this estimate is for federal taxes only. You may still owe state taxes on the conversion. Please note that mandatory withholding does not apply to this transaction. This means that no amounts will be automatically withheld. Further, you cannot use part of the conversion amount to pay the taxes. When you are ready to proceed, click the Continue button. The next page is the Payment Rights Notice. Read the Payment Rights Notice, then acknowledge this information, and click Continue to proceed. Next, you will review your request before hitting Submit. Here you will see a table with the pro rata breakdown of your total requested conversion amount. This table shows how much of your total requested conversion amount is being drawn from each of your eligible sources. If a source is not eligible for conversion, such as contributions you are not vested in, then it will not be included in the conversion and therefore will not show in the table. You will also see your balances by source before and after the conversion. Before submitting your Roth conversion request, be sure to carefully read the acknowledgement section. Remember, once your Roth in-plan conversion is processed, it cannot be reversed or changed. When you've acknowledged this and you are ready to complete the transaction, click Submit to finalize your Roth conversion. Next is Confirmation and Processing. You have now successfully completed a request to convert your traditional TSP funds to Roth. Roth conversion requests must be submitted by noon Eastern Time to be processed that business day. If you submit your request after noon Eastern Time, it will be processed after the market closes on the next business day. Now on to the summary and records. This is a summary of your Roth conversion request. You may print this page for your records. You will also receive a confirmation notice to the secure mailbox on my account. Keep in mind that you will receive a tax form 1099-R for this conversion, which you will need for tax purposes. You will be able to review your newly converted Roth balances on the Contribution Details page the next business day following your transaction. You can cancel a pending Roth conversion request in My Account prior to the transaction processing. To do this, go to the Convert to Roth page. In the Amount Available for Conversion section in the middle of the page, a notification will show that you currently have a pending Roth conversion request. If you successfully requested a Roth in-plan conversion and do not see a pending request, your conversion has already processed and cannot be changed. If you see a pending request and an option to click on Cancel Request, then you can stop your pending conversion by selecting Cancel Request. The next screen will ask you if you would like to delete the pending request. If so, select Delete Pending Request. A notification box will ask you to confirm your request. Select Yes to continue with the cancellation. On the next screen, you will receive confirmation that your request has been successfully canceled. This concludes our tutorial on converting a traditional TSP balance to Roth. We hope it was helpful. A transcript of this tutorial is available in My Account. Thanks for watching.